Okay, so guys, welcome back to this channel. So this is the next we have in line to sketch out. So like I said, always you click on file, new, then fill in every details, and yeah, here we are. So for the sketch, we have the plan. So we click on that plane, then you want to see top written well. So the first thing you want to do is pick on circle, touch on the center, and we drag. Yeah, so the first circle diameter 44, enter. Then let me zoom in. Then the second circle is diameter 30, 30, enter. Then I want to pick on line, right? Then thin line. Just pick from here to here. Make sure it's straight and on the center. Then right click and OK. I want to click on line now. Then turn this off. I don't need a thin line anymore. Then I drag from here, here. Make sure it's straight. Do the same thing. Sorry, right click, then OK. Line again. Click from here to here. Make sure it's straight. The main goal is we want to cut through. Then right click and OK. Sorry, right click and OK. Then the next thing we want to do is dimension. So the distance between these two guys was 4 millimeter. 4 millimeter. Enter. Now it's no more in the center, so we pick this symmetric, touch first line, second line, then the third line. You know what I did now? I clicked on this guy, then equalize them to this middle guy. Yeah, then I want to pick on my trim tool. Yeah, under modifier, I trim this, trim this, trim this, trim this, trim out my thin line, trim out this also, trim this out, and trim this out, and trim this out also, this. Yeah, so let me zoom out. Sorry, zoom out. So the next one I want to do now is pick line to right. Then I want to pick on the edge here, touch, then drag a straight line. Make sure your line is straight. Then go to your mouse, type 88, enter. You should then get it by itself, then zoom out so you can see the end point. Sorry, zoom in. So then you want to drag downwards. Make sure your line is straight. Then click 44, which is exactly the height of our circle. Then you want to come this way back to our circle. So you want to touch that line and see that arc showing, right? Then you left click. It's all drawn. Just in case yours is not showing that symmetry line, you come here. You click on this, which is tangent. Yeah, you touch the circle and touch the line. Can you see? You touch circle and touch line. Can you see it's telling me it's already existing? Then just to cross check this other guy, to touch circle, touch line, it already exists. So I walk away. Then I pick the circle tool again. I draw circle with the center line, and this circle has diameter 20, right? Then I pick line. So now look at this. You can see that thin line showing me yes, I'm on angle 90, which is a straight line. I drag to the wall here, make sure my line is straight. Then I stop. I repeat the same thing. Can you see showing me a thin line like yes, I'm in the center. I drag to the wall here and I stop. Yeah. Then the next thing I want to do is pick up my fillet tool. Yeah. And what was the radius for our fillets? Our fillet was radius 10. So we put in 10. And we touch here, it cuts it. We touch here and touch here, it cuts it. Then we pick our trim tool, which is shortcut key X, cut this circle away, cut this guy. We don't mind, don't worry about this one, it's just to tell you the length. Yeah, what else are we cutting? I think we are done. So let me zoom out and finish my sketch. Zoom out again. So yes, as you can all see, this is the diagram that we have to extrude. So you come to extrude, right? Sorry. Okay, 4415. So our extrusion is 44. We pick this guy, diameter or thickness 44. You can see it's upward, so we click flip, go downwards. You press OK, come to extrusion, click on the plus sign, right click, then left click on visibility to toggle it on. You click on extrude again, touch every other part of the diagram, then this is 15 and OK. So yeah guys, this is all you have to do and we are done. Yeah, this is the diagram. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to come back here, right click, turn off visibility of a measurement, and yeah, subscribe to the YouTube channel and make sure you share to your guys. Peace out.